My name's Grant Lewis, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Since 1969, Toyota has produced what they called the Toyota pickup for the United States. And it wasn't until 1995 when they decided to give it a name and call it the Tacoma. In other countries it's called the Helix, but here it's still the Tacoma, but they've got completely separate bodies, but this isn't a video comparing the two. This video is all about the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro. Now the Tacoma TRD Pro comes with a 3.5 liter V6 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, pushing out 278 horsepower and 265 foot-pounds of torque. It has some amazing off-road features, including an electronically controlled transfer case, rear locking differential, multi-terrain select crawl control, hill start assist, and a 360 camera called multi-terrain monitor, so you can see everything around you when off-roading. Some unique TRD Pro features include this front grille that says Toyota, TRD tuned Fox shocks, a TRD front skid plate, TRD catback exhaust, and 16-inch TRD black alloy wheels. The interior is okay with these TRD Pro black leather heated front seats. The driver's seat is electronically controlled, however the passenger seat is manual. Got an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, JBL speakers, TRD floor mats and shift knob. The rear seat legroom is nothing to get excited about, as it's still a very small mid-sized truck. The 2021 Toyota Tacoma is probably my second favorite truck, behind the Ford Raptor, but they don't even compare. The base price of a Raptor is $17,000 more than the base price of this TRD Pro that starts at $47,000. The Tacoma is cheaper, but just as fun and more within the reach when it comes to spending that much on a truck. Let me know your thoughts on the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro in the comments below. My name's Grant Lewis, and thank you for watching.